Hey guys, welcome to Webentor, and in this video I'm going to tell you how to add a number counter like this. So to do that, let's come over to the Elementor page builder. Now select on this plus icon and select these three sections. And now let's add the number counter widget in this section. So to do that, click on this and search for counter. And just drag and drop this widget here. As you can see, a number counter widget has been added. So quickly I will add for the other two sections as well. Okay, now let me explain you what are these options available with this widget. So let's start with starting number. Starting number is basically from where the counting will start. So now it was set to 0 and I will change it to 10. So now the counting will start from 10 to 100. So the next is ending number. Ending number is basically till where you want this counting to be done. Now it was set to 100, but I will change it to 1500. So let me quickly do that. Yeah, now the counting will be done from 0 to 1500. So the next option is number prefix. So if you want to add anything in the beginning of the number, like a $sign, you can add it from here. So I'll just remove this $sign. And the next option is number suffix. So if you want to add anything at the end of this number, like a plus sign, you can add it from here. So the next option is animation duration. So this is basically the speed at which the counting is been done. So now it's set to 2 seconds. I will change it to 3 seconds. So now it will take 3 seconds to count from 0 to 1500. Now the next option is 1000 separator. So if you want to remove this comma, just go and off this button and the comma will be removed. Same way, if you want to bring the comma back, just on it. The comma will be back. So the next option is title. So it's currently written here cool number. So I will change that to projects. Yeah, this way you can change the title. So I'll quickly do for the other two sections as well. Yeah, it's done, and this is how you add a number counter, but it's looking very plain. So let's add color to this. So to do that, just go here and click on this option, then just go to style, and now if you want to add a single color, then just go here to classic and just go here and let's see which color can I set. Red is not looking that good. Let me see. Okay, I will set a gradient color. That's good. Okay, now let me quickly set a gradient color to this. Okay, I'm done setting the color to this, but the black color here, the text is not looking so good. So let me change this by clicking on this and just go to style and go here. So if you want to change the color of this number, just go here and let me set it to white. Yeah, now it's looking good. And I will also change the color of this text. Just go here and set it to white. Let me quickly do it for the other two as well. I'm done making all the changes. Let me just preview it and show you the end result. Yes, this is how it looks. I hope this video helped you in knowing about number counter widget. So I'll be coming up with more such informative videos. Till then, bye bye.